The 2007 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, air conditioning, front, power steering, cruise control, power windows, heated driver's seat, fog lamps, remote power door locks, passenger airbag, tachometer, leather seats, heads-up display, heated passenger seat, power mirrors, rear wiper, tilt steering wheel, privacy glass, rear spoiler. This vehicle qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Your new ride is just a phone call away.